think this is the most difficult question in my entire field. Ki, should you plan a pregnancy?
Okay.
I've realized that couples who are coming to us, matlab, they're already under the stress of having a baby. So when they actually start planning a baby, sometimes what happens is that stress plays such a role कि उनको pregnancy रुकती नहीं है. And then there are couples जो बिना plan करे हुए, they just conceive. So I always tell them कि अगर आप plan कर रहे हो, if you're below the age of 35, एक साल लीजिए. Try naturally. Don't be bothered. But अगर एक साल के बाद pregnancy नहीं रुक रही है, now you need to go to your specialist. Now you need to sit with your specialist and start planning out. If you're above 35, I say give yourself 6 months. As you get older, try and go earlier to your doctor because एज सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर रहता है जब प्रेगनेंसी प्लान करनी होती है या अनप्लान करनी होती है, जैसे भी हो. जैसे एज बढ़ता है प्रेगनेंसी के चांसेस भी कम होते जाते हैं. तो आई थिंक व्हाट्स बेस्ट इज कि जब कभी if you're just married, you're a young couple, and you're thinking of getting pregnant immediately, don't overthink it. Just try naturally for a year. अगर एक साल में नहीं होता है, then start going to your specialist and then start planning. So it is a double-edged sword. जब आप पूछते हो कि ये plan करना चाहिए कि unplanned is better. I think both have their merits, but remember your timelines. कि एक साल के बाद definitely planning डॉक्टर के साथ करो. एक साल के पहले खुद से just let it be a natural process. Don't overthink it कि ये period में we need to have sex so that we can get pregnant.
True.
Just let it go with the flow. Enjoy your married life. Don't overthink it. But after a year of unprotected sex, at that point you should genuinely think. Then there are a lot of couples who say that ki, I'll give you an example of a couple. They've 28-year-old, they were married for 7 years. They're like, we've never planned a pregnancy till now. So I said, great. So what contraception have we been using? कि क्या गर्भ निरोधक चीजें यूज कर रहे हो? They're like, कुछ नहीं. पर हम लोग ने कभी ना कॉन्डम ना कोई कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव पिल्स या कुछ भी. So I said, देखो, that means 7 साल में आपने बिना कोई कॉन्ट्रासेप्शन के कभी भी प्रेगनेंसी स्केयर भी नहीं हुआ है. Better to get tested to check. It's very unlikely that if you're having regular sex for say 7 years or 3 to 5 years, always want to make sure ki is everything okay. If you're using contraception, I understand कि आप actively avoid कर रहे हो pregnancy. But if you're not using any protection and you've not had a pregnancy in for so long, always better to get investigated to see कि everything's fine.